Yo!
You.
So, how long exactly does credit repair take?
Well, look, I'm not sure about everybody else, but over here at the Credit Bull, credit repair takes anywhere between 30 to 90 days. We are able to perform a credit sweep. And the reason why we even offer that service is because a lot of people that were coming to us, they were in dire situations. Like, they were like people who, they were living in a place, they were renting it, and the place actually got sold by the owners. And they were scrambling around looking for places to stay. And they actually had to choose to live in places that they really didn't want to with their family, right? But if their credit was correct and they were able to get it cleaned up fast, they were going to be able to get themselves in a better position. So that's why we even offer the credit sweep, to make sure that all of the negative items get off of your credit report in the next 30 to 90 days. You need to go to click the link in my bio and get access to my free credit class. I'm going to show you exactly how to repair your credit yourself, how to rebuild it, and how to structure your report to start getting approvals. The class is completely free, and I'm only going to be doing it for a limited time. So make sure you go click the link in my bio right now and get access to this free class.